Hello everyone, today is more cleanup day. Let me take you over here. Yes?
What are you doing?
Video, what do you need?
My phone.
Okay, it's in the house. Okay. So, we got all this cleared. This was over here, the fire pit, but we're moving all this and cutting everything. The guys cut all this wood here, if you remembered what that looks like. Got the big pieces and just rolled them over there. I got that big tree stump out of the way. Starting to clean more and more here. Tristan built a step to go to the deck. We're making little piles here to clean up, getting all this wood out of here. As you can see, there's a lot still left to do, but yeah, here's the step that he made to go up here. What are you doing?
I'm freaking to hang this up. Tell me what you think.
What? Now what's going to go in there?
Like towels right here, and then sprays, grill sprays and stuff.
Yeah, that look good.
That'll be alright?
Yeah.
Is that straight?
Looks straight. So he finished that little corner here. And then we're going to put up these signs. We're going to paint them and put them up there. You can see there we still have all that to do. Here's the shop. Looking a whole lot better. Tristan made him a shelf. Hanging it for him. This is big enough to have a dance party. Got the deer corn. I want to show y'all this wall before we get it done, but the TV is going to be over here. We're going to put a box that, yes, I made it all by myself, a box underneath the TV to put the VCR, all the electronics underneath the TV, and then I'm going to do shelves, and I'm going to put family pictures here. I don't know if y'all seen my Thanksgiving tree yet. Still got to finish it, but that's what it's looking like. So later on in the video, you'll see this completed. So that's our next thing we're going to do. And then our family picture, I'm going to put where the TV is now. So, yeah, I don't know if y'all... Presley's room's getting more and more crowded. We unboxed all her toys and stuff. So, as you can see, it's more and more. I'm really proud of this. It's so simple, but you just take a dowel rod here with little hooks, and then you put the book, so you make like a little reading center. So I thought that was cute. So if y'all haven't done that, or you need an idea to where to put books, that's a cute little idea to do. I'm gonna have the guys take this off, because I think Presley, when she's walking, she's gonna trip over that, especially if she's in a hurry. So I'm gonna take that off. But yeah, so it's looking cute. I have her little doll center that's going to come, and I'm going to put it here. These pictures are going to go on the shelf and stuff, but I'm going to have her little doll changing thing there. And then I ordered her a new bedspread instead of white. I should have known not to do white, but it's cute. Y'all wait to see that. But yeah, so got to get it all together. I got to get some little boxes, little trays, dividers, things for all that. but I liked how this turned out. This little shelf, and it has all her little, these are just little rubber baskets. I like that. And look at all those. Oh my gosh. I am not putting those up. On the other house, I had them all on her wall. I'm not doing that this time because she wants them down to play with, so I'm just going to keep them in the basket. But y'all, I got her some cute little jeans. Look at this. Some cute little jeans. A little dress. Like cute. A little Barbie one. To me, this makes her look so old. Look at that. They're cute. And then, I don't know if I showed y'all. Yeah, I did. Her little cowboy boots that I want her to wear out here. Because you never know when she might meet a snake. But yeah. Yep. Keep watching, y'all. Bye.
No. What do you think? Do I need a touch of anything anywhere else?
For a camo look?
Yeah.
Looks good. Looks good. Looks camo to me.
Too much brown down here?
Are you going to do the sides or just the inside?
No, just the inside. I think I need more tan.
At the bottom? Like in that corner.
Okay. That corner right there?
Yeah. Not too much.
I'm just redoing the...
Yeah, that looks good. Hello, everyone. Okay, so Randy has his signs up on his deck area. And as you know, the deck is built. We are going to start sanding it today, but it's a little bit rainy. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. But him and Tristan put the lights up, got the fan on, and got the signs on now. And the little fire pit area is coming together. We have, I would step out there, but it's raining. We put that little log right there, and it has like a cutout, and we're gonna fill that with mums. I think that would be so cool. But the deck is going to be, what color are you doing the deck in? Oh, there it is.
Sun-drenched oak.
That's what he's going to do that. And then we are making us an entrance sign, and it's going to have, where's those little things at?
On the tailgate.
Oh. But anyway, it looks really cool. It has like a little, hold on, I'll show y'all. Hold on. Okay, we went to go get everything. So this is what it's going to look like. We already have the little hangers to hang on the fence. But, yeah. So, me and Randy picked out all the stuff, and Randy put it together. Right, Randy? So, that's our new entrance for the gate.
Do y'all like them, the letters straight across like that? Or do you think we should like...
I sort of like it curved.
I think I like it like that.
Because of the barbed wire.
Yeah. I mean, this needs to come over this.
Yeah. Cool? Tell us what you think.
Well, get a top view of it so they can see the curve.
I don't know how that's doing it.
You got it.
Okay, we have decided to go with pecan. We were going to do a dark walnut or something like that drenched oak or something that Randy had picked out, and we looked at that and it was like too yellow. I'll show you that. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one he had picked out, and it's way too yellow. And that was the dark walnut, and this is the pecan, and we really like that. So this is how much we've gotten done. You can see over there, right there, what it's going to look like when it's dried. So I like that. So we used Ready Seal pecan. So yeah, let me know what you think about this color. I think another gallon, because this was just like a quarter, so another gallon should do that. So we're going to get that, and I think we are going to put lights up on the tree, so we'll have lights in our fire pit area. So we're excited about that. And later on, not now, but I want to extend this deck and make it deck around the trees, and then I want to put a table and chairs, and Rhonda's gonna kick my butt, but maybe a hot tub out there. I gave Rhonda my other, not gave, she bought it from me, but I think I might want to get another one and put here, because I keep thinking about it, and that would be pretty cool. Move all that stuff, have Tristan build us a deck. It won't be covered, but it has all the trees and stuff, and sitting out there, I think that would look pretty after we get all that mess cleaned out. So a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. That's what I always say. A little bit at a time and we'll get it done. But let me see what else we have done. I don't know, I think we showed y'all the lights. Tristan gave me these little wind chimes, the hummingbird, for my mom. And if you know me, I like the dragonflies. So just a little dragonfly for me. And then Randy painted it a little dragonfly. We put it on the tree, and it was about the same color as the tree, so we just painted it. So we put that up there. And this is a thing that I was talking about. I think this is cool that it was hollowed out here, and then we're going to put some like the flowers and stuff in there, so make that like a little planter. I think that would be really cool. So yeah, but it's looking better. We're gonna get rid of that and all of that, and then we're going to start over there. So we'll start with probably the shed, fix the door, fix all that, take that gate down, fix it, and then start with the bungalow. It's going to be a project. Talking about a tiny home. Ugh. So, but Randy has the shop looking really well. He hung up some stuff. This is what he did. He did a camo and of the browning. It looks good. And then he hung those up. Well, Tristan hung that one up, and then Randy hung those up. So anyway, we had to move everything back in so we can stain the deck, but it's coming. The next project after we do those is trying to figure out if we're going to keep that playhouse or fix it up. I think Presley would like it. She's just not here a whole lot, so I don't know if there'd be use for that. But we are going to put a tire swing up, and I want to paint it pink. So we're going to do that. So anyway, y'all keep watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay, here we go. We're going to hang up our sign. Okay. You want to put this one in, or you're in first?
Put this one in first. Let go.
Good. It's heavy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look, babe. It's our place. Look at that. Aw.
That's pretty cool.
I love it.
Let's come down just a little.
Look at it. getting so clean. See? Yes. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, and that probably cost us
25 bucks.
no, probably like more like 15. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So when you drive up, so you got this White Rock Road, and then you drive up. There it is.